Hang on, we're telling more followers to join your live video. Monty's here. Monty, look at my hair, bro. Can't even tell anything happened, right? So sick. Best decision, man. You got to make that decision too. Damn. Any update about the market? We had ADP. Now here's the thing. You got to understand this, right? We had a lot of volume. Last week. You know, I made a lot of money last week. It was insane. This week now, it's just been garbage. We had a move down earlier on. What time was this? We had a big move down. This was 10, 11, 12. Around NY. But man, just tough now. Just tough. Like gold, last week, all you had to do was close your eyes and buy, or have sell stops in case the Russians, they withdrew their forces. It was easy, right? This week, you really got to work. You really got to work for the trades. I haven't taken any trades this week at all. Let me show you. Let me show you here really quick. So this is all this from this year so far. Started in January right here, and January was amazing. Last week, these are the gains from last week right here. See these amazing volume, amazing gains. Already up almost 500,000 over here. But let's take a look at this week right here, and then we're going to take on some questions. Last 3 days, actually no, let's go over here. Oh, actually I'm in the loss over here. $5,400 loss so far. So let's see, this week. Oh yeah, this month just started. But yeah, you know, like this week is tough. Also, we got NFP as well, and it's going to be very interesting because last time ADP was super bad. The numbers came positive. Now we're going to move into NFP. We'll see what happens. Greetings from Netherlands. Oh, thank you, man. Getting my funded soon. Awesome. Also, we're launching Dominion funding soon. So I think that's going to be a very, very interesting thing that starts. What do you think about oil? I have no idea. There are a lot of geopolitical tensions happening regarding oil. So no idea. From what I know is that if they do put sanctions on Russia, what I read was that China's going to buy their oil, if no one else buys their oil. So I hate trading. You should just leave this live stream. That is a MetaTrader 5. All right, so we're going to start taking some questions over here. Let me see. Greetings from Kenya. Hey, thank you. Greetings from Dubai. I'm from Malaysia. Very nice. I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, Instagram is broken. It's not allowing me to scroll down. Do you trade indices? No. The only reason I don't trade indices is because there's a lot of volume in indices around NYSE Open, right? And I physically I can't look at the market at that time, so I only trade pre-New York Open. Will Dominion Market ever use C-Trader? It's not in the pipeline yet, so we're not sure. Any thoughts on New Zealand, Swiss? Send a chart. Where are you on holidays? I'm in Dubai. We're actually doing a boot camp here in Dubai till Sunday. Then we're going to be doing a boot camp in London on the 18th March. And yeah, so I'm on vacation till, I got the boot camp, and then I'm on vacation till around the 22nd March. Greetings from Islamabad. Thank you, Raja. Do you ever trade in lower time frames such as the 1 minute? No, I don't trade in the 1 minute or 5 minute. Sometimes maybe the 5 minute. Sometimes, not all the time. The only reason I'm going to focus on the 5 minute is when there's a lot of volume, like on gold last week, right? The only reason I'm not going to look at the 5 minute and 1 minute is because the confirmations you get on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, they are weak confirmations. So you want to take trades on strong confirmations, like the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. 15-minute is still weak. Show you some fake confirmations. So link up for Jummah in London, inshallah. I want to attend the London boot camp. Go register, son. The link is in the bio. Listen, these 3-day boot camps, they are the best investment you're going to make in your Forex education, like, let alone the online stuff. The online stuff is whatever. But when you come into in person is a whole different vibe. How do taxes work with trading? Depends on where you live, man. Depends on where you live. Any update on gold? I'm not touching gold. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to look at it, but I'm going to wait for NFP, really. Can you live stream the boot camp for members? We'll try. Yeah, we'll try. So no streams till the 22nd of March. What's your take on swing trading? I've seen Uncle Ted saying you need to take what the market gives you and not try to predict what's next move. But when you're swinging, you're kind of predicting. Yes, that's true. When you are swing trading, you are kind of predicting. I'm going to tell you a story, right? I did try swing trading when I first started in 2016, going into 2017. I did try swing trading, and the reason I stopped swing trading was very simple. So picture this, right? I would take a buy down at the bottom. I take a buy as a swing trade. Price would go in profits, and then price would go at break even, and then come back and hit my stop loss, right? That used to be the trade that we used to take. But then I started to think that, okay, if I'm in profits for maybe, let's say, 80% of the time in my swing trades, in like, let's say like 15 pip profit, 20 pip profit, this means I can secure 100% of the time I'm in profit 80% of the time. Makes sense? So then I stopped swing trading. But now, when you see sometimes, my trades do run for a long amount of time, there's a lot of psychology at play as well, because the only reason I'm going to let my trade run now in a swing trade is if I'm in profits for the week, if I'm in profits for the month. So last week was the last week of February. I was in profits in February, so I was like, okay, you know what, I'm going to let some trades run. And so that's how I do swing trades. If I'm in profits for the week or for the month, then I'll let certain trades run. Show us around the hotel? No, I don't want to give out my location. But it's Dubai, man. Like, Dubai, man. Dubai has zero crime. Zero crime. Do you love Iran? Of course. One of the most sincere men in the game. Thanks. Lots of scammers out there. Thank you, man. Full colorful shirt. Yeah. There's a funny story to this jacket. There's a very, very funny story to this jacket. So we went to, I don't know, was it Harry Rosen in Canada or whatever, right? So went there. I had to buy a shirt. I was going to Turkey, and I heard some kids in the background. They were looking at something, but what I heard was $350, man. I ain't never gonna spend $350 on a jacket. And I heard that, and I'm like, shit, what kind of jacket is this? $350. I turned around, it was this, and I had to buy it, because then they saw me buying it. They must be thinking, that guy's a big baller over there. So that was a baller moment there for me. I'm in Dubai myself. How do I sign up? There's a link in my bio, but maybe we have 1 or 2 seats, but we're sold out. Boot camp in the US, Miami is in plan by probably May or June. Are you going to boot camp in the States? Raja, where are you right now? I'm in Dubai. Let's see here. Can you please talk about risk management, stop loss? Risk management and stop loss. Okay, let me talk about that. Actually, before I talk about that, I'm going to show you guys here something. I'm going to close my super secret important windows, and I'm going to show you guys something. So this is what you got to do, right? You have to go to youtube.com, and then you got to go to my channel. Go to my channel, right? Oh wow, look, 144,000 subscribers, right? Go to my channel, go to videos, and scroll down, and there we go, the video right there, son. How to set a stop loss in Forex trading, right? This is single-handedly the best content that you're gonna find. How to put a stop loss in Forex trading. No one's going to teach you this. I guarantee you that. What they'll say is, hey, we can teach you, but you have to buy this or buy that. Here, you just have to watch an ad and make money on the video, and you get knowledge. Right? Which time frame do you Recommend all the time frames. All the time frames. So let's go through time frames one by one. Let's open up this chart over here and let's do a live breakdown. So first of all, okay. So first of all, I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. This is gold, by the way, so you guys can copy if you want to copy, right? Gold, by the way. So what we're doing is we're creating a resistance on gold right here. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Oh, 1 hour is consolidating. Beautiful. 1 hour has a it's super hard over here to do this. We're consolidating and that's it. We just need a candle to break or close below. Yeah, on the 30-minute makes much more sense. Yeah, I'm not even gonna touch gold here. Look at these losses here. People say I edit my history. Look at this. How come I have a losing week here so far? Huh? How come I have a losing week? Huh? See that? Raja loser. Raja loser banks. Okay. Thank you to share your experience. You're welcome. How you withdraw money from your own broker, I don't understand. So here's what happens, right? When you take a trade and when you profit, right? Those trades are taken in the market. When you profit on I think you profit on our side, and then you just you for lack of better term, you send a request for a withdrawal to the liquidity, and then they send the money in, and then that money gets to your withdrawal, like if you want to withdraw by Bitcoin, like bank transfer, whatever. Miss you in the Zoom today. Oh, can't wait for this 22nd, practicing every day in the market. Oh, nice, man. What did he say? The market's being hard right now? Oh yeah, man, trust me, markets, it's really hard. It's a bloodbath, man. Gold is really making us do the work, and by work I mean patience, waiting for price to come to the levels you want it to come to. Actually, let me open actually never mind, it's going to be a waste of time anyway. Any other boot camps after these two towards the end of the month here? Not many at the end of the month. We're going to have Ramadan, so I'm going to take a full month off. No, still going to do live streams, but no boot camps in April, May, June, July, maybe North America. Could you explain price action? I need it. Man, that's a very long topic to talk, and my battery is not here to talk about that. I have a good track record. How do I get private funding? You have a good track record, but you want private funding? Please post this video. Okay. Please arrange bootcamp in Pakistan. We're gonna have a one-day event in Pakistan after Eid. After Eid, we're gonna have a one-day event in Pakistan, Lahore or Islamabad. We'll see. Can I do sentimental trading with your help? What the fuck is sentimental trading? You're shorting your emotions against the dollar. You're shorting your emotions against pound. Sentimental trading, sentiments. What the hell, man? Raja, my brother. Hey, will this life be saved? Yes. Gold is going to 1830. Well, that's a far-fetched idea. Boot camp in USA. Okay. We'll get to see you on the Friday event, boss. Yes, Friday event. So, anyone who's in Dubai, on Friday, there's a event being hosted by the Forex Space, and the other company is E-Economy. I don't know the location. I know the location, but I have to look at the post where the location is posted. Yeah, so Friday I'm going to be speaking there as a guest speaker. So anyone who wants to come over on Friday. We can have chit chat, talk. It's going to be a good networking event as well. How long have you been at your break-even stage? I was at my break-even for maybe, I'd say like 5 months, and during that time I was actually learning to how to get out of that break-even stage, and the best way to get out of the break-even stage is to really focus on lowering your losses. So that video I told you guys about in YouTube earlier on, that's the one to see. I have lots of friends who trade with banks and institutions. None of them swing trade. They all scalp. Yeah, man. Scalping, quick money. Is this holiday? No. Does money feels better than the gym? Honestly, that's a very good question. Does money feel better than the gym? You know what? I consider myself to be blessed to be in a state where I can just go to the mall and just buy whatever I want without thinking about, oh, it costs this much or it costs that much. Most times, like I went to the mall here earlier on to buy a MacBook Pro M1. It was for around $3,200. It was the best one in 14-inch, and I was like, should I buy it? Should I don't buy it? What should I do? And then I'm thinking, okay, you know what? If I do buy it, this is probably like maybe, 10 lot, 30 pips, 50 lot, 15 pips, something like that. So, I mean, now I'm at a stage where I just look at money as a tool. That, okay, this is a tool I have. What more can I do with this tool? When I go to the gym, going to the gym is something different. Very, very different, because when you wake up in the morning, you look at yourself in the mirror. You see your shoulders, you see your traps, you see your chest, you see part of your abs, you see your biceps and triceps. In the morning, when you see that, the first thing in the morning, you are amped to get going, But money, I think I've come to a stage where I don't feel the need to track what I'm spending, if I'm not overspending, of course, But I went and bought this mouse. It's like when you go to your fridge, you never think about, oh, I'm running low on food, I should just buy more food. You just go to the fridge, you pick what you want to eat, you eat. So that's how I go to stores now. I go to the stores, I see a mouse I want, I'm like, okay, I'll just take this mouse, and then I know how much it costs when I get to the cashier. Trust me. That's what happened here with this mouse today. I didn't even know how much it costs. She said this much, I'm like, oh, okay. Do you smoke? Your eyes are glossy? No, I'm just tired. What according to you is best returns gains for a month? See, if you're a new trader, I don't think you should be focusing on percentage gains a month. I think mostly you should be focused on getting a trade right. Because if you can get 1 or 2 trades right, then your confidence is going to build up to the point where you're going to start to think about, okay, maybe now I should start thinking about returns or weekly return, monthly return, get some sort of a goal because I'm winning trades. Oh, the lighting is amazing. Oh, thank you, man. I'll show you around. A very, very nice lighting. Look, this whole table is lit up, and we got these birds over here shining their great light upon me. Alhamdulillah, so nice. Real birds too, look. Not even moving. They're still because so scared of me. You guys seen those goats that just go still when they're afraid? That's what's happening with these birds. Anyway, nice shirt, thank you. All market workout, your strategy, bro. Thank you. Can't smoke in Dubai. No. How old are you? 34. I am 34 years old. I am as old as Ted was when he started trading. Yeah. I'm as old as Ted was when he started trading. Shit. Wow, crazy. Ted was our master today as Don was live. Yeah, Ted's a great guy. Is your funding company going to be honest with clients on where their profit splits come from? The profit splits, they come from live accounts. We have our own platform, our own brokerage. We have amazing liquidity providers. So whoever qualifies for live accounts, those are real live accounts. You get a real live account. So when you do make profits, those profits come from liquidity. And I think it's going to be like 20, 80. I'm not sure. We haven't really talked about that yet. It's just been like an idea. Oh yeah, this should be a pretty good thing to start. So we'll see. Okay, let's see here. God bless you, brother. Thank you. Greetings from Netherlands. How long have you been trading? 6 years? No. Yeah, almost 6 years. It's going to be 6 years in April. 6 years. Urdu mein bolo bhai. Kya bolu Urdu mein bhaijan? Kya bole Urdu mein? उर्दू में क्या कहानी सुनाई आपको? लगता है उर्दू में आपने सुनी है वो क्या नहीं, टीपू सुल्तान नहीं, एक और था कोई. Advice for a novice trader: make a plan. Make a trading plan. Make a trading plan. There are three things you need to remember if you are a novice trader. Number one thing is you need to pick a time that suits your life to trade. You can't look at the charts all the time. You can't look at the charts when you're taking a shit, when you're going grocery shopping, when you're at the gym. Oh man, I used to look at the charts when I used to go to the gym. Right? Made no sense. Pick a time to trade, pick a pair to trade, which is active during that time, and then risk management. These three things. Manage risk. Okay. Are you going to the FX Summit? No, I'm not going to the FX Summit. I'm not going to the FX Summit. It was such an embarrassment, man. It was super embarrassing. I'm not going to talk about it, but it was super embarrassing. Putin dropping missiles in 2 hours? Well, then put some buy stops at 1940. Yeah. I like your hair. Thank you. Just got them done recently. Literally got them done recently. How are you, sir? Better than I deserve. When is your next NY session live? On the 23rd March. New video from Fuck My Life. What? Alright. Kervin. March 23rd. Yes, that's what I said. Are you live on EST? Yes. Hey Robert, why'd you gotta display a picture of a girl but your name's Robert App Mussolino? Or maybe you just look like that? I'm not trying to make fun, but I'm just trying to guesstimate what the hell's going on over there. Your best profitable month ever, and how much returns were that? Man, my best profitable month was February. February was my best profitable month of my career, thanks to Russia, Putin, and Ukraine. Because you can only clap with two hands, right? Can't clap with one hand. Yeah. February was a very good month. Very good month. Very good month. February had a lot of losses too. Actually, wow, take a look at this. Right? Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Let's count these losses. We're gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 23, right? Now let's count the wins. Okay, let's count the wins over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, right? 28. So 28. So 28 plus 23, 51. Right? So 28 wins divided by 51 total trades brings my winning percentage in February to 54.9%. I was only profitable in February 54.9%. The rest were just, you know, I was only profitable like 54.9%. I teach people every day, and I show them your live about scalping skills. I just won't ask you what you think about order blocks. I don't know anything about order blocks. Where's my Chrome? Okay, I gotta listen to this voice message here.
यार अभी से एक मैं मीटिंग में जा रहा हूँ और समझने में है अगर I'm free तो मुझे एक घंटा 1.5 और लगेगा तो होटल भी होगा मैं तुझे कॉल कर लूँगा चला लूँगा ठीक है
Okay. Miami boot camp. Oh, perfect, man. Okay, any boot camps in Tanzania? I don't know. You really, what did you really make 100-hour last few months? If so, how many percentage? How much percentage? Maybe like 2%, 3%, 2 to 3%. Let me show you my FX book. It's private, but I'll show it to you guys here. The reason why it's private is because I don't trust half the people here on Instagram anyway. They're like these Shakespeares with their magnifying glasses. Oh, what? Account suspended? Hold on. Account can't be suspended. What you talking about? Okay, so let's see here. Congratulations, your account fits the criteria for our auto trade program, which allows you to generate an unlimited income with zero effort. Oh wow, unlimited income. So, okay, so take a look at this, right? February 87%, January 11%, March is negative 0.12%. You got 2021 over here. So yeah, that's my FX book. Why do you suggest trading only one session? Why not both London and New York? Because the thing is, man, listen, when you choose a currency pair, you need to understand every currency pair moves differently in every session. If you're looking at pound yen is going to move differently in a London session because it's only being influenced by the pound. Pound yen is going to move differently in the New York session because sometimes when you have news on the USD, that influences the yen because yen is a safe haven, you know. If risk is towards the USD, yen's going to go up. Risk is against the USD, yen's going to go down. So it's you really got to understand that concept. You look young, thank you. Sometimes you have to give money to the banks. That's correct. What's the name of your YouTube channel? Wicks don't lie. Can't wait to meet you. Amazing, man. Inshallah, we're gonna meet. How much is your equity? It's almost 8 figures. I'm sorry, it's a little bit over $1 million. Are you not buying into consolidation zone on gold? No, I'm not doing that. Consolidation zones are for, I don't want to say it, it's for retards, man. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do in a consolidation zone? What are you trying to do? I was trying to show, but what are you trying to do with there? Okay, I'm getting a headache now. I have to go get some sleep here soon. So anyway, take care, guys. Have fun. We're gonna see you probably with another live tomorrow because I got a lot of time here. Adios. Oh, not ended. Oh, let's try it one more time. There we go. See ya.